Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm doing pretty well. And so, please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Neha Bhardwaj. I have been completed my post graduation. I am a teacher. I run my own coaching center as well as I'm YouTuber. My YouTuber channel name is Speaking Zone, and I teach to my student also.
Wow,
And,
that's great.
and also I am a housewife. Also, I am a handicapped person. That's why I'm working on it. I'm passionate to learn this language, so I'm working on it.
Okay, that's a great thing. You are trying.
Yes, ma'am.
So, uh, tell me your daily routine.
Yes, ma'am. Usually, I get up 5 o'clock. After that, I do meditation, and then I make the tea for me and my husband because we live alone. I have no mm, from parents in laws. So that's why we live together at our house. So I make the tea for me and for him. And after that, I take bath. I do worship, and then I do complete my house chores work and make the breakfast. Approx 11 o'clock I completed my whole all breakfast. It is not breakfast or lunch together. We do brunch only. It's a mix up of the breakfast and lunch, so we can call brunch. So I do brunch, and after that I do practice about my language, and I teach to my student at evening time 4 to 6. And at evening time, after 7 o'clock, I do worship again, and I make the dinner, and I take some sessions with the other persons because I'm passionate to learn this language, and after that, I go to the bed.
Okay, that's good. And do you have kids?
No, ma'am, I have no any kid because before 1 year, I got married only.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, can I ask you about you? Can please
Yes,
introduce?
yes, yes. Why not? Yeah. As you know, my name is Kalpana Gangwar, and if I talk about my qualification, I'm a B.Ed, and I'm a homemaker as well as a YouTuber, and my interest is in singing, dancing, reading books, listening music, and so that's all about me.
Yes, it is very nice, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when you start your journey uh,
Mm.
in speaking in English journey?
Yeah, because since childhood I want to learn this language, but that time is that condition was not good. I was not able to learn this language, so that's why I started my coaching. But before 2 years ago, at a Corona time period, all were free. You know very well.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that time I decided that I should start this journey. So that's why I start to work on it. I know about the tenses, but I don't know about the anything. When it comes to speak in English, so I fumble a lot that time
Yeah,
because
it's happening
to
with
frame
all.
yeah, how to frame the sentences, how to make the sentences properly, and which condition we have to use, what a proper sentence we should use it. So I don't know that time, so I work on it. My sentence structure, what is the positive sentences, now what is noun, everything. what is the condition sentences. I learn about it, and right now I'm working on the vocabulary session, because if we want to improve learn this language, so we should work on it vocabulary also. If sometime we
Yeah.
use advanced vocabulary, so our English will be affected.
Yes, yes. We are learners, so that we have to work hard. We have to
Work.
take pains. Yeah.
Yes, no. So
To
when because knowledge is never ended, according to me, knowledge is never
yeah,
ended. In the English language, in the English language is also a ocean.
yeah.
Learn lots of the things in this language. It is a lots of things we have to learn it. So when we learn one thing, so next thing comes in our mind. We should learn it also. So I'm working on it. All that these things.
Okay. So, tell me, what makes you happy?
Um, My hard working makes me happy always, but sometime when procrastinate to myself, yes, let it be. I will do this thing next day or 2 3 days. So and then when sometime I do this type of thinking, so I scold me many times. Why are you doing like this? You should not do like this. If you want to achieve something new in your life, so you should hard work in yourself. And learning
Yes,
use English also is my passion. When in a single day I will gap, so that I feel not good. So daily it is my routine. I learned this language one day.
okay, that's a good. Yeah. So, what makes you sad?
Um, when sometime happens, because life is a up down.
Yeah,
Life comes up and downs every time we can't able to make us happy, and sometimes we can't able to sadness.
yes, yes.
But
It's
hard
depending
work,
on situation and
sometimes we motivate, sometimes we
yeah,
demotivate. It's happen. It is a normal thing, because it is a human nature. It is a
yes,
human. And sometimes we feel sadness when I want to achieve anything. It is our target. For example, I have a target. I have to command for my fumbleness.
yeah.
But trying to more, but I am not able to control our fumbleness. So we feel sad. I'm putting many effort.
And yeah, we have to work hard, and it is happening with me also. Just because when I have a conversation with someone, then I forget questions, and
Yes,
yeah,
happen,
yeah,
because it is, according to me, it is a lack of practice. We should
yeah,
conversate with strangers more to more times.
yes,
When the time passes, so definitely we can create the confidence also. We can put many questions, and we can put many the ideas comes in our mind. So
yeah.
it is depend on the our practice also. Should work
Yeah.
on it. Definitely, God will give the result.
You have question? Any
Yeah,
question? Me?
ma'am, why are you learning English?
Yeah, I'm also passionate about this language. Yeah, and I love to speak in English. I want to be a good speaker in English. That's why.
Okay, ma'am, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
It's good, ma'am. You improved a lot within a
Thank.
3 months. It is
Yeah.
impossible. According to me, it is impossible. But we should communicate to more with the strangers. So we can overcome our fear to
Yeah.
learn this. and speak it, because speaking is a very important.
Yes, this
Um,
having a conversation is very important to get
with
over all types of fear.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, we should apply some apps because there are the more apps available on
Yes,
the
yeah,
Play
there are
Store.
so many apps available for
Yes.
practice.
Yeah, so we should try to this using this app. According to me, I think in within a 1 hour you should try it. We should also try it because it is really helpful for us. Because in a
Yes,
conversation, create the many types of things in our conversation, and which type of sentence we have to use it, which way. So it will be easy for us. It is very helpful to use this app also, and we should work on it also. Pronunciation, it is good for us, but sometimes we do mistake, and
yes,
because uh, we do mistakes, so don't fear about it. Don't
yes.
think about everyone mock you, and everyone make laugh to you.
That's why it is happening.
It is happening because every learner goes to mistake.
Yes,
They
yes.
do
We
every
make mistake, then we can learn. We can improve.
can improve.
Yes.
So that some person when I give the session one time, so that time I was too hesitate, but I don't feel bad because when I upload my first video on my YouTube channel, so everyone make laugh on me. But I forget, I ignored them because I am a learner. Am I learning these things? So sometime it happened. That time I was too stuck to speak in English. But right now, yeah, I'm able to speak it. My point of views, how to I express, put forth to other person. So I'm able. But right now I'm working on it also. Sometimes while speaking, I do mistake also. I have to say anything, but I say other things. So sometime happen.
So it's
But
happening to for every learner with
yes,
every learner. Yeah.
every so don't think about it. I am doing mistake.
Don't worry
Um,
about the people who are what are they saying.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. So yes, if we are do hard work, so definitely one day get result come in our life. But
Ignore them.
yes,
Yeah, just ignore them and try to work hard, try to speak. At least we are trying to speak in English.
yes,
That's
it
good
is a
thing.
good because
Yeah.
we are doing hard work. But according to me,
And
um,
have not much time to learn this language. So we are doing something. So it's enough.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. So and consistency also important.
Yeah.
Suppose that